Welcome to Slick's Partner Portal app, your all-in-one toolkit to serve your customers better, faster, and smarter. Let's walk you through how our app works. Scan the QR code you're seeing around. This takes you to our sign-up page. Create your account by entering your full name, mobile number, and email address. Verify it with OTP received on both. Now upload your KYC documents, Aadhaar, PAN, and bank account details. When the KYC process is completed, you get an agreement document. Verify it carefully and provide your signature. After you have signed in successfully, you'll get an email like this, where you'll find the link which takes you to the partner portal. Here you log in with your mobile number and OTP to land on the home page. Right up front, the dashboard shows your total number of customers onboarded for loans, available loan withdrawal limit, withdrawn amount, and recent applications, giving you a quick snapshot of your performance. You'll also find the share button on the home page, which allows partner to share a unique link to their customers via WhatsApp, email, SMS, which takes them directly to Slick's customer portal, where they can choose and apply for the liquidity option that suits them best. Now this NOP tab shows the number of customers onboarded. If you click on it, you'll get the list of all in the completed tab section of the applications page. Clicking on any particular customer gives you detailed information of their application. On the home page itself, at the bottom, tap the plus icon to onboard a new customer, just by entering their name, mobile number, email ID, and the loan type. Once added, they'll instantly show up in your clients list. This is your phone book. It shows your entire client base with their individual portfolios. Right from here, you can send product-specific links. Each link takes your customer directly to the respective loan journey, saving them the hassle of navigating through multiple pages. But what if the customer doesn't open the link or drops after a stage? The status of those customers can be seen in the pending tab of the applications page. Whether they paused before KYC or midway through any documentation, you can send them a fresh link to pick up right where they left off, helping you recover those drop-offs. Now the customer has completed their application and wants to withdraw the approved loan amount. The partner can do it on their behalf once they verify with an OTP through this withdraw tab. This saves your customers time while giving you more control over the process. And this repay tab helps partners see the bank account details of the lender, wherein the customer has to repay the principal or interest amount. You can also download the holding statement, which tells the details of the funds and transaction statement of any customer from here. And for any issue along the way, we have the help tab for you. You can also raise a support ticket via email or directly call on the given number. Our customer service team will get in touch quickly to resolve your issue. From onboarding to disbursement to after-sale support, Slick gives you everything you need to help your customers. Because when tools are powerful, your service speaks volume.